It's helped us show our team what Breakthrough has been able to do for us, and it's given a lot of positivity towards now and the future for what we're going to be doing within our network.
We love data, and transportation in general has always been so manual. Hey, we liked you as a human being, so you're a great carrier for us. So we've been able to analyze the data, understand the data, and be able to make smarter decisions for us as an organization, as well as for the customers that we have. We were able to talk to other leaders within the transportation industry that are also on the forward-thinking path. So being a part of that Breakthrough family, I think makes a world of a difference when you have those conversations and figuring out how can we partner together to make something great without too much work besides Breakthrough bringing us all together to a wonderful platform.
The carriers that are out there working within our RFP right now are able to stay stabilized with the contract rates. Our spot bidding has decreased immensely, and the service has improved as a whole with our entire network, which has been awesome for us and our organization.
For us with Breakthrough and the network intelligence, we are now with our top carriers setting up quarterly business reviews to go over everything. And we're also continuing to rework that process of what else do we want to see. We're working our data to provide back to Breakthrough and vice versa. We have been able to identify lanes where after we completed our RFP, we found secondary carriers that were at a much higher rate. We've been able to have those tough conversations with them and say, hey, look, we need you to get down to this price, and if not, you might not be getting as much work with us. And it's kind of changed the way we have conversations. Instead of, hey, you're a nice person to work with, we enjoy working with you, it's here's factual data to tell you what we need from you to provide the service, and then if not, we have to have a different conversation.